Kanban production control systems. Kanban production control system uses a signaling device to regulate JIT flows. Kanban means sign or instruction card in Japanese. In a paperless control system, containers can be used instead of cards. Cards are containers made up of Kanban pull system. The authority to produce or supply additional parts come from downstream operations. Consider Exhibit 14.a, where we show an assembly line that is supplied with parts by a machine center. The machine center makes two parts, A and B. These two parts are stored in containers that are located next to the assembly line and next to the machine center. Each container next to the assembly line has a withdrawal Kanban, and each container sets to a machine center has a production Kanban. This is often referred to as two-card Kanban system. When the assembly line takes the first part, A, from the pull container, a worker takes the withdrawal Kanban from the container and takes the card to the machine center storage area. In the machine center area, the worker finds a container of part A, removes the production Kanban and replaces it with the withdrawal Kanban. Placement of these cards on the container authorizes the movement of containers to the assembly line. The freight production Kanban is placed on the rack by machine centers, which authorizes the production of another lot of material. A similar process is followed by Part B. The card on the rack usually shows upcoming work for the machine centers. Cards are not the only way to signal the need for production of the part. Other visual methods are possible. The following are some of the possible approaches. Kanban squares. Some companies use squared spaces on the floor or on the table to identify where material should be stored. When the square is empty, the supplying operations are authorized to produce. When the square is full, no parts are needed. Container system. Sometimes the container itself can be used as a signal device. In this case, the empty container on the factory floor usually signals the need to fill it. The amount of inventory suggested by simply adding or removing containers. Colored golf balls. As a Kawasaki engine plant, when the part used in the sub-assembly is down to its Q limit, the assemblers roll a colored golf ball down a pipe to a replenishment machine center. This tells the operator which part to make next. Many variations have been developed on this approach.